Welcome to English Podcast.
From Speak English with Ease.
Hey, quick question for you. When you try to talk about the past in English, do your sentences feel smooth or a little stuck?
Like, you already know what happened, but somehow it just doesn't come out naturally.
If that sounds like you, you're in the right place.
Welcome back to Speak English with Ease.
I'm Ava.
And I'm Noah.
And today, we're fixing something every learner struggles with.
Talking about the past naturally and confidently.
Think about it. You tell stories every single day.
What happened yesterday, last weekend, or even something funny from your childhood.
But still, many learners say the same thing.
Why do I sound so basic even when I know the grammar?
That's exactly what we're fixing today.
We'll first look at how people speak at B1 level.
And then we'll upgrade it to B2 level.
Same story.
But completely different impact.
At B1, you already have enough grammar.
Past simple.
Past continuous.
Time words like yesterday, last week, 2 days ago.
At this stage, your goal is simple. Just be clear and understood.
One small but important rule.
After did or didn't,
We always use the base verb.
I didn't go, not I didn't went.
Small mistake, but it changes everything.
Hey, Nora, how was your weekend?
It was kind of a disaster, actually.
What happened?
I went to the beach with my cousin on Saturday. We planned everything perfectly, packed food, left early.
Sounds nice so far.
Yeah, but when we arrived, it started raining heavily.
Oh, no.
We stayed in the car for an hour, hoping it would stop, but it just got worse.
That's unlucky.
So we drove to a small town instead, found a cafe, and had lunch there.
Okay, that sounds better.
Until the car wouldn't start again.
Wait, seriously?
I wish I was joking. We waited almost 2 hours for help.
That's a full day struggle.
Notice something?
Short sentences.
Clear order of events.
And natural reactions like, oh no, and seriously?
That's real communication.
Now let's take it one step higher.
B2 is not about new grammar
It's about combining what you already know.
and making your story flow naturally.
Hey, Clara, how was your break?
Honestly, stressful, but kind of amazing at the same time.
That sounds intense.
I had been planning a surprise party for my mom for weeks. Everything was supposed to be perfect.
Let me guess, it wasn't.
Not even close. While I was setting things up, people were stuck in traffic.
Oh, no.
By the time guests started arriving, I was already panicking a bit.
That must have been stressful.
I was smiling on the phone, but inside, I was completely freaking out.
Did it work out in the end?
Somehow, yes. She walked in, saw everyone, and started crying.
Worth it then.
See the difference?
We didn't change grammar.
We just added flow.
Connectors like while, by the time, in the end.
And emotions.
That's what makes English sound natural.
Understanding this is easy.
Using it while speaking is the real skill.
That's why we recommend shadowing.
Listen,
Repeat.
match the rhythm.
And train your mouth, not just your brain. You don't need perfect English.
You need consistent practice.
Mistakes are part of the process.
And every sentence you try makes you better.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
If this helped you, like and subscribe.
And keep speaking.
We'll see you in the next episode. Speak English with Ease.